Hey folks, I'm Felix from Hicks Nurseries. Well, it's mid-June. We got that warm weather we wanted. We're enjoying our garden, but so are a lot of pesky insects. Aphids, spider mites, thrips, mealybug, they're all out there going after our beautiful flowers and veggies. One of the great ways we can clean up our garden of these pests is to use ladybugs. Ladybugs are beneficial insects. They'll devour all those other soft-bodied insects that are attacking your flowers and your veggies. And it's a great way to clean up your garden and not use any pesticides. Another great tool are nematodes. Nematodes are microscopic worms. All you do is take this package, mix it with water, spray it on your lawn. One package will do 4,000 square feet, goes a long way. Spray it on your lawn and it'll go after grubs and larval stages of fleas. So it's a great way to protect your lawn, protect your family, and protect your pets without using pesticides.